This quick tutorial explains how to buy shares of Treasure Global Inc. Treasure Global Inc. operates internationally in technology and logistics and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TGL, and this video is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and enter the ticker TGL to find Treasure Global Inc. Choose the listing that matches the company name to make sure you select the correct stock. On the asset page, check the short company profile and a price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the page shows Treasure Global Inc. with ticker TGL so you are on the right asset. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading reopens, and if there are not enough funds, the platform will ask you to add them before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to review the platform.